All right, guys. I've been out of the game for a whole year and a half, maybe 2 years, as many of you know if you follow this channel. I am starting to make videos again using my old setup with OBS, and I try to upload or import my videos into Hit Film Express, which is the editor that I use, only to find out that, hey, they don't support the video type. So it was kind of weird to me. I was like, wait, what is going on? What is going on? So I actually take a look at the video type, and I noticed it is an MKV file, which this is the first I've ever heard of it, being out of the game for a while. So then I'm thinking to myself, well, what am I supposed to do? Like, Hit Films, do they even support it? Do I need to find another player? So if you are like me and you've had this trouble, I'm going to show you a quick way so that you can get them back into MP3 or MP4 format so that you can go about your business. So let's go ahead and show you what I'm working with today. So as you can see, I uploaded or imported rather these file types here, and I'm getting the error message that securing area.mkv is not supported by here. So to remedy this, what we need to do is we need to go back into OBS Studios. And sorry for the infinite loop there. You're going to go to Files, and you're going to go to Remix Recordings. When you do that, you're going to look at the file type that you're trying to find. You can use the three marks here. And locate the original file that OBS recorded, and then it's going to automatically put it into MP4 format. After you're done with that, you hit the remix files, click OK, and the file should be back into your folder. So this, you can we'll just right click here just to double check. Yep, this is an MP4 file. I'm going to go ahead and just play it just to make sure that it works. Looks like that it works. Not going to show you the full video just because it's coming. All right, so now we should be able to just drop this file right. Oh, let me get the infinite loop out here. We should be able to just drop this file straight into Hit Film Express or whatever video editor that you have, and now it should be able to be added back like normal. So again, if this is something that you've experienced yourself, please follow those steps, and you should be able to get back to some semblance of normal. You should be able to get back to some semblance of normal. More videos to come. Thank you always for the support and understanding during the last year and a half, 2 years. Greatly appreciate it. More content is to come, so make sure that you have the notifications on. Like and subscribe if this is the first time that you see it, and just let me know if this has helped you. Take care.